Welcome! Today we're celebrating new mothers and the journey of motherhood. Mother's Day is a time to honor the love, patience, and care that mothers around the world selflessly give. For a new mom, this day takes on a unique significance. It's her first Mother's Day, marking her entry into a world filled with both challenges and joys. It's a celebration of her first steps into a life-changing journey where every day is an adventure filled with tiny milestones and immense love. This day is an acknowledgement of her strength, resilience, and the infinite love she's discovered within herself. It's a day to show her that her efforts haven't gone unnoticed, that her sleepless nights and tireless days are appreciated. For a new mom, Mother's Day isn't just a holiday, it's a celebration of her new identity. For a new mom, this day is a debut into motherhood, a role she's embraced with all her heart. Now, let's explore some unforgettable first Mother's Day gift ideas. Imagine a gift that not only surprises her, but also makes her life a little easier, a little more comfortable, and a lot more special. Consider starting with practical gifts. How about a high-quality robe? Soft, luxurious, and perfect for those late-night feedings or early morning cuddles. It's a simple reminder of comfort and self-care, something that every new mom deserves. Or perhaps a professional massage. It's a perfect way to ease her tensions and provide a well-deserved break. A gift certificate to her favorite spa or a home visit from a professional masseuse could be just the ticket to relaxation. And let's not forget the sophisticated baby carriers out there. They're not only practical, but they can also be stylish. A baby carrier that combines comfort, safety, and style could be a real game changer in her daily routine. Now, let's move on to more sentimental gifts. A custom video compilation of her first year as a mom is a gift that keeps on giving. It's a reflection of her journey, capturing those precious moments of joy, challenge, and triumph. Picture her watching those moments, her eyes welling up with love and pride. And here's a little secret: the magic of these gifts lies not in their price tags, but in their emotional impact. The robe isn't just a robe, but a warm hug that's always there. The massage isn't just a luxury, but a moment of tranquility amidst the chaos. The baby carrier isn't just a tool, but a symbol of her strength and resilience. And the video isn't just a compilation, but a heartfelt narrative of her journey into motherhood. From a custom video compilation to a sophisticated baby carrier, these gifts will surely touch her heart. But remember, the ultimate gift is the love and appreciation you show her, not just on Mother's Day, but every day. But what about a special gift that combines emotion, memory, and utility? Imagine, if you will, a gift that distills the essence of motherhood into a tangible form. A custom-made piece of art that encapsulates the unique bond between mother and child. This could be a painting, a sculpture, or even a piece of handcrafted jewelry. The key here is personalization, capturing the spirit of her journey into motherhood. Consider a painting, for example. It could be an abstract representation of her and her baby, their forms intertwining in a dance of colors and shapes. Or perhaps a sculpture crafted from materials that hold special significance. This could be made out of clay from her childhood home, or wood from the tree under which she used to play. Or how about a piece of jewelry? A locket, perhaps, containing a lock of baby's hair, or a pendant engraved with the baby's birth date. These tokens, small yet meaningful, will serve as constant reminders of this beautiful chapter in her life. No matter the form, this piece of art would be a testament to her strength, her love, and her unwavering dedication as a mother. It's a gift that tells a story, her story, and one that she can keep close to her heart forever. Imagine her joy and surprise when she unwraps a masterpiece that symbolizes her journey into motherhood. Now that we got the gifts sorted, let's make the day perfect too. It's important to remember that the essence of this day is not just about the gift, but about celebrating her new journey. Start by planning a day that she'll cherish forever. Maybe it's breakfast in bed with her favorite meal, or perhaps arranging for some quiet time where she can relax and unwind. A few well-thought-out gestures can go a long way in showing her how much she's appreciated. And let's not forget to capture these beautiful moments. Documenting this day with photos or a video is a wonderful way to keep these memories alive. These will not only serve as a reminder of her first Mother's Day, but will also be a beautiful keepsake for years to come. Remember, it's all about making her feel special and loved on this special day. So, we've discussed some amazing gift ideas for the first Mother's Day. From practical gifts like a high-quality robe or a professional massage, to sentimental treasures like a custom video compilation of her first year as a mom. We've even explored the emotional peak of gifting a custom-made piece of art that tells her unique story of motherhood. Let's remember, it's not just about the gift itself, but the message it carries. It's about showing her how much she's loved and appreciated. It's about making her first Mother's Day truly special. Now it's your turn to get creative. If this video inspired you or sparked some ideas of your own, why not engage with us? Hit the subscribe button, give us a like, or even share this video with others who might find it useful. Share your celebrations with us and let's spread the love on this beautiful journey of motherhood. Thank you for watching and happy Mother's Day.